Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir milk step by step. Start with fresh whole milk and active kefir grains. Keep everything clean and cold until ready. Measure 1 tablespoon of kefir grains per 2 cups of milk. Stir gently, cover with a breathable cloth, and leave at room temperature to ferment for 24 to 48 hours. Taste for tanginess, strain grains, and refrigerate your kefir immediately to slow fermentation. Use pasteurized whole milk for the creamiest kefir and raw milk if you prefer more complex flavors, but always source from a reputable supplier. Keep your ferment between 68 and 78 degrees F for steady activity, and remember cooler temps slow fermentation while warmer temps speed it up. Avoid metal utensils, use glass or plastic, and gently shake or stir once during fermentation to distribute cultures and help create a smooth texture. Quick recommendation: if you like keeping kitchens tidy while making kefir, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care and voice control that handles crumbs and spills. It navigates around jars and picks up stray oats or grains with strong suction, saving you time between batches. If this sounds helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once fermentation reaches desired tang, gently strain kefir using a fine plastic or nylon sieve, returning grains to a clean jar with fresh milk for the next batch. Store finished kefir in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and always keep a small backup of grains in a jar of milk in the refrigerator. If your kefir smells rotten or shows mold, discard grains and start fresh with new cultures from a reliable source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.